Thank you very much. The summer wind came blowing in from across the sea. It lingered there, touched your hair, and walked with me. All summer long we sang a song and we strolled that golden sand. Two sweethearts and the summer wind, just like painted kites, those days and nights they went flying by. The world was new beneath that blue umbrella sky. Then softer than a pipe of man, one day it called to you. I lost you to that summer wind. The autumn wind and the winter wind, they have come and gone. And still the days, the lonely days, they go on and on. And against whose sides his lullabies through nights that never end. My fickle friend, the summer wind, the summer wind, warm summer wind, summer wind.